Hello everyone, I am Prof. Kannan, Head of Dental Education Department, College of Dentistry, Majma University, Saudi Arabia. You can follow me in my Instagram, skk underscore oral medicine, and my YouTube channel, Learning Made Simple. So let me start this video by describing each letter in the word teacher. The letter T denotes talent, people possessing natural aptitude or skill. The letter E denotes empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. The letter A denotes adorable, inspiring great affection or delight. The letter C means critic, a person who judges the merits of work, especially one who does so professionally. The letter H denotes humble, having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's importance. The letter E denotes earnest, resulting from or showing sincere and intense conviction. And the letter R denotes resourcefulness, having the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome the difficulty. Among these qualities, the last one, resourceful, having the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties, is the need of the hour. In this crisis situation of pandemic COVID-19, teachers should quickly adapt and take a leading role for online education and assessment process. Today in this video, I will be showing you how we can use the Blackboard platform for the student assignments. Some of the course directors are using assignments as a tool for final theory evaluation. So let me show you how Blackboard can be used for student assignments. So these are some of the guidelines for creating assignments in Blackboard. Students should be asked to write an assignment about a topic for 3 to 4,000 words. The assignment should be submitted through Blackboard. The last date for the submission should be announced well ahead. After submission, the submission will be checked for plagiarism using an inbuilt checker in Blackboard. The total marks for the assignment should be clearly mentioned. To make this assessment from a subjective to objective manner, the course director should provide rubrics for the assessment. So with this introduction, let me go to the Blackboard platform and show you how to create an assignment in Blackboard. So this is one of my course. So this is the content page. So once inside the content page, let me go to the assessment icon where I will select the assignment. Once it is selected, in this new page, you may have to give a name for this assignment. So now let us give a name of trial 2 assignment. Okay, so the name I have given is trial 2 assignment, and here you can give the instructions that should appear for the students. So in a Word document, I have already prepared few instructions which I will copy and I will paste it here. So these are some of the instructions I have prepared for this assignment. This assignment is for 10 marks. This assignment should be submitted before 30th of April. This assignment will be checked for plagiarism in Blackboard. This assignment should have the required titles, figures, tables, and sufficient number of. So these are the instructions regarding the assignment that I have entered it here. Now, what we have to do here is we need to upload the names of the students and the topics allotted to them. So I have already prepared it and kept it in my course folder. I will go to the the search folder where topics for the students. So I have prepared a list which I have uploaded. I also want to upload the rubrics that I will be using for assessing this assignment. So that also I have prepared it here. So which I will select and I will attach it here. Now for your information, let me show you how this Word files look like. So here is a list of my students for my course and the name of the topic that is allotted against each student's name. Okay. And I have also given the information. It should be submitted in the Blackboard before April 30th. Okay. And let me show you a sample of my rubrics also. Here, this is a simple rubrics. So for this assignment, I have made clear guidelines for the students. If the topic is related to a disease or lesion, these are the subtitles that should be present in the assignment. If the topic is related to the drug or medication, I expect these subtitles to be there in the assignment. If I give a review topic, and these are the expected subtitles that should be there in the assignment. Regarding the mark distribution or rubrics for assessment, what I have graded is unacceptable, poor, fair, good, excellent. And these are the criteria. These are the criteria I have used. See here, structured presentation, I will grade accordingly. And originality, which is the plagiarism. And the illustrations, that is the number of tables, number of figures, pictures used in the assignment. Quality of the content, how much, what is the quality of the content that is present in the assignment, whether it is matching with the topic, whether it is there is a link between the quality and the title, content and the title of the assignment, and the number of references that is used in this assignment. Based on the number of references, I will be allotting mark. And promptness of submission, whether the students submit well before the last date or on the day of the last date or after the last date of submission. So based on that, I made a simple rubrics for this assignment. Okay. Now let us again go back to the Blackboard. So we have given a name and we have given the instruction to the students, and we have uploaded the list of the students and their allotted topics, and we have also uploaded the rubrics. The students should know how their assignment should be would be assessed. Okay. Now the due date for submission, we have to select here, and we have to fix a date. So I have selected 30th of April, and the timings, let me select noon, 12 p.m. Okay. So I have fixed the date and time for the submission. Now points, how many marks will be allotted for this assignment? So it is 10. Now you want to assess the assignment in the Blackboard, you need to provide rubrics. Rubrics, you can create a new rubrics, something like this. When you click that, here you have to give a name. So I will give trial 2. So this is the rubric for this assignment. And here you have the different criteria. So if you go back and see my rubrics, I have 5 grades: unacceptable, poor, fair, good, and excellent. So which I can create it here. See, I can go and change the name as unacceptable, okay, and save. Then I can go and edit here as fair and save. And this one I can go and edit and give like good. Okay. Okay. So I will save. So if you want to add 2 more grades, for example, in my rubrics, it is excellent is also available. So what I can do is I can go and add a column. Whatever number of columns you want, you can add, and you can name it as you want. Similarly, the number of criteria here, it is only 4: formatting, organization, grammar. So my criteria, based on my criteria, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 criteria, I can go and make additional rows and change the name. So I can go and make additional rows here. See, here I can go and add row number 4. Again, I can go and add another row, and I can name it whatever title I can make it. So I will make it references and save it. And what is the percentage of marks you want to give? So unacceptable, I want to give 0%. And for fair, I want to give 25%. And for good, I want to give 50%. Like that, you can fix up the percentage of mark allotted. Now, I don't want to create rubrics now. Why? Because in my course, I already have prepared and saved the rubric in my course. So if I have a rubric, I can just select it and I can submit it. Now, see here, there is a rubric which I have created for the final assessment. If we want to see, we can see. So if you want to say edit rubric, so this is the final assessment rubric I have made. See here, unacceptable, 0 mark, poor, 25%, fair, 50%, good, 75%, excellent, 100%. So I have given the criteria also. We'll see here, structured presentation. If no subtitle is there, 0 mark. If 3 or more subtitles are missing, 25%. If 1 or 2 subtitles are missing, 50% mark. If only 1 subtitle is missing, 75 mark. If all the subtitles are present, 100% mark. Like that, we can grade all of the criteria. This is how a rubric should be made. So number of reference, 0 reference, 0 mark. 1 to 5 reference, 25% of the mark. 5 to 9, 50% of the mark. 10 to 15, 74. So this is how I have made a rubric for final assessment. Okay, so now I have uploaded the rubric for assessing this assignment. Now, next is the submission detail. Submission, we are allotting topic for each student. So they have to submit individually. And how many times you allow the student to submit? So if you want to give single attempt, multiple attempt, or all, it is up to you. So I want to give single attempt. And here, if you select this, you subject the assignment for plagiarism check. The Blackboard use a software called as Safe Assign. Okay, and when you select the plagiarism, select this also. This will exclude the student submission going to other institutional or global reference database. Okay, so now if you want to select this, see, if you want to do grading for all the student assignment, you can do it by yourself. Or if you want to share your workload with other instructors in your course, you have to select this, enable delegated grading. So these are the teachers, instructors who are attached to my course. I can go and allot the students submission for them so that they'll also help me in grading. If you don't want that, just unselect that. Okay, and display grade. So display the grade. The score will be shown to the student. Include grade center, yes, and show the student grade. So it will be automatically shown to the student. And I want to make it available for the student. So now let me submit. I have fixed all the criteria for the assignment and I have submitted my assignment. So now in the content page of my course, I have the trial 2 assignment. So here the student will be able to submit their assignments. Now let us see how it will appear for the student and how a student can upload his assignment in this. So I will go to the student preview mode. So now I am entering the system as a student. So I will go to the content page. and here I got the assignment icon. So what the student has to do is he has to just here you can see he has the topic list. He has also got the rubrics that I am going to use for this assignment, and he has also got the instruction for this assignment. It is available here. So if he is ready with his assignment, what he has to do is he has to click the trial to assignment. Here again, it shows the deadline. It shows the total marks for this assignment, and all instructions will be available here, and all the files that I have uploaded is also available for the students. Now he has two options. He can directly write the assignment here in the Blackboard, okay, or he can prepare it in a Word file and save it in his computer, and he can just browse the computer. And these are some of the research topics submitted by my students. Okay, so I will select one of my students' submission, and once it is uploaded here, what we have to do is just submit it. So once the student upload the file and submit, what will happen is there will be a message, success, your submission is successful, and you will get a confirmation email in his university email ID. Okay, so he will get this information and it is submitted. Now let's see how it will appear in the instructor dashboard. So now imagine that all the students have submitted their assignment. Now you need to see how many students have submitted, and you need to grade it. What we have to do is we have to go to the grade center. We have to select the grade center, and in the grade center we need to go to the full grade center, and in the full grade center what we have to do is here is that assignment that we have created, trial 2 assignment. And look at this. This is the response of the instructor from the student preview mode. So it is not graded. That is why you see the symbol like this. So what you have to do is go here and view grade details. So now we have come to the grading section. So what we have to do is this is the submission, and total mark is 10. So it is not graded. So what we have to do is we want to grade it now. So here is an icon which is called as edit grade. So if you select that, it will go to this page, and we want to just view the rubric. So after reading, so what we have to do is, before going into this, if you want to see the attempt, how he has prepared before downloading it, or either you can download it and read, or you can directly read it here. See here, download. So you can download it here, or we can directly so here once you open it up, you see all the presentation, okay, and you read and you look for the criterias, everything. So once you finish that, now what we have to do is make a note of all the things, and we have to again go to the grade center. Here we'll go to needs grading. Okay, here is the student preview, or yes. So if you click that, what will happen is we'll come again to this page, and here you see the amount of plagiarism. It is 77% match is given. If you want to see if you select this, it will show the percentage of plagiarism here. If you want to see the report, if you click this, it will give you the plagiarism report. See here, 77 percentage, and you get the different colors that shows the plagiarism related to each of the sources. So if you want to see that, okay, once you check all the plagiarism also, you can now see here. I have clicked that. I want to now grade it. Okay, this presentation was well structured, so I want to give excellent for that. And his plagiarism is 77 percentage, so I have to select this because 50 to 90% I have given 0.5 mark for that. And illustrations, all five, more than 5 illustrations were there, and the quality of the content is good. Promptness of the submission is good. Number of references he has used 1 to 5. So this is the how I will grade his assignment. Now let me save this. Now once I save this, look at that, out of 10 he has scored 7.75. Now submit. So now again, so all the, after doing grading for all the student assignment, what you have to do is you have to go to the full grade center. So in the full grade center, see here, my assignment has been graded, and the mark I have scored for this trial 2 assignment is 7.75. So this is how we can grade the student assignment here. So once you grade all the students, all the grades for all the students will appear here. Okay, and as I told you previously, we can make a record of this. We can take a printout of the student assignment directly from here. So this is how we can use Blackboard for the submission of student assignment. So it is well documented, and you can grade online also, and you can keep a document in your quality file. Hope this video is useful for those course directors who choose the option of assignment as a tool for the final theory evaluation. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to send your feedback to my email k.pillai@mu.edu.sa. Thank you, one and all.